Hello everyone. So in this video, we will see about the dimension command. So for that, I will just type here command dim. Shortcut key for dimension is dim. D-I-M. Just type dim and press enter. Now, if you just click on if you just wanted to measure this dimension, right? So just click here and specify second extension line origin. Just click here, right? Just click here, and you can just measure this dimension. See, if you just wanted to measure this dimension, see, just click here and just click here. You can just measure this dimension, right? And if we just wanted to measure this angular dimension, right? Uh, Let me show you this one. If we just wanted to measure this angular dimension, then for this just type dim, press enter, and from here just select angular. Now it is asking you select arc or circle line. Just select this first one. Now just select second side of this angle. See, you can just manage from here. See, it is showing this angle also and this angle also. You just need to select, just click on the screen, right? And you can just measure the dimension, right? Now let me show you for the circle. Uh, Let me show you for the circle. Just type in here dim, press enter, and here you can see you can just directly just click on this circle. Just I just place my mouse here on this here on the periphery of circle. You can see you can directly measure this dimension. See, you can just place where you just want it, right? And you can also measure the radius. Just type dim. First, let me exit from the command. Type dim, press enter. Now here, let me come at the center. Yeah, here the center. Now you can see, you can just click on the edge anywhere. See, and you can see, you can just measure the radius also in this way. So this is how you can basically use your dim command.